The next level is when you accomplish $2,000 in small business and group premium. That's called Ruby Elite. If you notice the pen changes, there's two Ruby gems in that pen. That's when you accomplished, personally write $2,000 in small business, small group premium, but only a max 1,000 of what you write in small business network. That means if you wrote a small business plan and it is not attached to a group, it is considered to be a network small business plan. You can count those, but you could only count up to 1,000 in premium dollars. So let's say you wrote 113.95 plans, or let's say with trial defense 113.95. Then that's going to be more than 1,000, but you can count 1,000 of that toward the Ruby Elite, but you can only count, again, up to 1,000 of that small business network premium. Now, if that small business plan goes in on the group report, the group authorization sheet, if the small business plan is listed on the group authorization sheet and it goes in after that group is established, you can write their entire amount off because it's connected with the group. Kathy, anything there that I need to specify on? Do you see anything in the comments?
No, we're good.
Okay, so folks, please understand those two. And then when we get over to the hit and earn, that means when you have Ruby qualified with $500 in premium, along with your first group open bonuses and whatever you receive, as well as your commissions, you also receive another bonus for hitting Ruby, becoming Ruby qualified. That's level 1. Level 2, when you hit $1,000, it's $150. Level 3, 1,500 is $200. And then level 4 is what's called Ruby Elite. When you reach that level, there's additional bonuses paid out each one of these steps. And then once you reach Sapphire for the first time, level 7, normally it's $500, but now it's doubled to $1,000. So for those who are running for Sapphire, remember Sapphire is $3,500 premium dollars in this year. So those